Hello, everyone. Good evening. So my name is Sakinah, and you can just call me Saki for short. And today I'm gonna present to you about career and job seeking hints, sorry, and it will be about CV. So basically, with the title "How to Make an Outstanding CV." And I guess you already know what is CV, right? So CV is a curriculum vitae, is application document that summarize your professional experience, skill set, and also your qualification. And personally, I can say that CV is a way for us to promote ourselves to the employer, and employer will know that we are access and we are capable for the job that they are. Okay, so let me help you. The first one is, what are the things that must be in your CV? And I have divided it into three main sections. The first one is about personal information. So it provides about your name and then your contacts like email, phone number, WhatsApp number, LinkedIn account, and your education background. And usually the personal information, it's always on the top on your CV. You may see on the example here. And then after the personal information, there will be objective or career summary. So actually, this one is an optional section. But for me personally, as a recruiter, I like to see the CV that put objective and career summary. Why? Because I can get like a bit highlight about the candidate experience and the like aspiring career that this candidate want. And we can see from the example that this candidate has experience in cybersecurity, troubleshooting, and the career that this candidate wants is about a security expert specialist role. And after the objective and career summary, we have a working experience. In this section, we can explain about our experience, professional experience, and then our skills. If we have take a professional certification, coursework, and this is time for us to flexing about our experience. And the key of this CV is only put the relevant experience. So let's say you are applying for software engineering role, and then you only put your experience in software engineer. Do not put your experience in UI UX designer or maybe business analyst. And then after you know about this thing, about the thing that you need to put on your CV, what next? The next step is you need to make sure that your CV is in an ADS friendly. So what is ADS, Saki? Okay. ADS is an applicant tracking system, is a computer software program that manages the hiring process. So basically, it helps the recruiter to curate or assess the CV. And how ADS will work. So at the first time recruiter get the request from every division, we will put the information about the job, such as job title, desired skill, required experience. And then after that, the ADS system will use the information to create a perfect candidate or maybe the ideal candidate. And then when the applicant has submit the CV, the ATS will sort and make a rank based on the how they match the profile. And yeah, after that, the hiring manager or the recruiter will see the list from the ATS and will invite the candidate based on the rank. So after you hear about the ATS, I know the importance of having an ATS-friendly CV, right? Having ATS-friendly CV will increase your chances of being interviewed. And then how to make an ATS-friendly CV, Saki? Okay, I will explain to you with two example of CV. If you can see the left and right CV, we can see that there are similarities and of course there are differences as well. So the similarities actually, both CV provide the same information like personal experience, contacts, your name, your skill set, working history. But the difference is the CV on the left is in clear format, only black and white and no shapes at all. But the CV on the right, it's more eye-catching, I guess, because full of color and a lot of shapes. And I can say, as a recruiter, this has really catch my eyes. But back again to the question, which one is the ADS friendly CV? Of course, the left one. Why? Because ADS uh, CV is designed to be readable by the ATS. Your CV needs to be formatted in a way that makes the system easily read your CV. So the key to make a friendly CV, the key of making an ATS friendly CV are make the clear and the clean format, just like the left one. And then you need to put a strong keyword related into the job that you are applying to. And then the last one, always customize your CV and put some point based on the job description. Okay, so your CV says a lot about you and determines whether you will be called for interview or no. So that's it from me. I hope the presentation can help you to chase your dream to your dream company. Thank you.